Kayla at the range. Fire!
Jesus Christ! Happy now?
Is it empty?
I don't know.
Nope. Now it's empty.
Now it's empty.
So how'd that feel?
How am I supposed to answer that question? I got a raging boner.
That's about right.
Do you?
Yes, I totally have one.
Okay, we're getting a Glock now, right? How do you think she did, Jeremiah?
There's no target, so we can't guess the name. All right.
Okay. Now I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna load up. I'm gonna shoot me some. Okay. Because you're so handsome. Look at that. Look at that chiseled jaw and those rugged good looks.